Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Very warm welcome to all of you here on this sunny bright day today here. Here I am, Dr. Sayyid Muhammad Anisul Hasnain Shah, Assistant Professor, Education, University of Education, Digi Khan Campus. Today our topic is ordinal scale. In the last lecture, we were there to discuss the nominal scale, and today the next step in the next category is ordinal scale. Ordinal scale is the second level of measurement that reports the ranking and ordering of the data without actually establishing the degree of variation between them. Ordinal level of measurement is the second of the fourth measurement scales. Ordinal indicates order. Ordinal data is quantitative data which have naturally occurring orders, and the difference between the unknown and the difference between is unknown. It can be named, grouped, and also ranked. As you can see on your slides, ordinal scale places events in order, but there is no attempt to make the intervals of this scale equal in terms of some rule. Ordinal scale only permits the ranking of items from highest to lowest and have no absolute values. And the real difference between the adjacent ranks may not be equal. It implies a statement of greater than or less than. An equality statement is also acceptable without stating how much greater or less. The appropriate measure of central tendency is the median. In ordinal scale, rank orders present ordinal scales and are frequently used in research relating to qualitative phenomena. And now I am just going to explain the ordinal scale in a very simple words, and it will be very easy for all of you to understand. Okay, and I think there should be no flow of the slides there. Maybe it will be boring for all of you, and just I'm going to explain it. Okay, it will be clear for all of you. Along with identifying and describing the magnitude, the ordinal scale shows the relative rank of variables. The properties of the intervals are not known. In ordinal scale, the properties of the intervals are not known. Measurement of non-numeric attributes such as frequency, satisfaction, happiness, and etc. In addition to the information provided by nominal scale, ordinal scale identifies the rank of variables. Using this scale, survey makers can analyze the degree of agreement among respondents with respect to the identified order of variables. With another example I am going to elaborate here, and it will be very easy for you to understand this, understand the concept of ordinal scale. in your school education, you score the ranks there, and ranking of high school students, for example, first position, second one, third one, fourth one, and so on. A student scoring 99% marks out of 100 would be standard the first rank, and other students whose with scoring is 92% out of 100, he will stand on maybe the second position there, and the 90% marks out of 100 can secure the third position there. Now it is clear for all of you. And the nominal scale, in nominal scale, rating surveys And with another simple example, I'm going to elaborate. And rating surveys in restaurants. Most of you have visited mostly the restaurants and your everyday activities there and everyday life there. When a waiter gets a paper or online survey with the question, how satisfied are you with the dining experience here? Or when you visit to a workshop, maybe in the workshop of the Suzuki, maybe the Honda, maybe the Toyota, when you complete your work there, when they complete the work of your car, maybe the something another van there, when you are paying them your when you are paying your bill there, they fill a pro forma by you where they wanna check that how much good service we are going to provide you. And there are the ranks from 0 to 10. And I think maybe there are the options there from 0 to 10, and 0 being extremely dissatisfied and the 10 scoring is being extremely satisfied. And ordinal scale has some qualities there, and I personally think, and the primary quality is that when we use the ordinal scale, it is the ease of comparison between variables, number one, and the number two, extremely convenient to group the variables after ordering them, effectively used in survey polls and questionnaires due to the simplicity of analysis and categorization. Collected responses are easily compared to draw impactful conclusions about the target audience. As the values are indicated in a relative manner using a linear rating scale, the results are more informative than the nominal scale. And I hope so that this lecture will give a proper concept to all of you to understand the ordinal scale and how it differs from the nominal scale. And in the next session, we will meet with the ratio and the interval scale. And thank you for all of you joining the session here. It's a very simple, and our topics are so short there, and with the passage of time, as the lengthy topic starts there, and the length of the video will be there. And I personally think that if the video and the topic is in a very lengthy sense there, it reduces the charm and students' concentration. So I have tried my best to be very concise in lecturing and in material there, and I hope so you are clear with the different example that I have elaborated in the lecture. And in the next coming lectures, I will try my best to elaborate so easy and your active daily life examples, so that you can make your own concepts there and you can differentiate very easily with the nominal scale, with the ordinal scale, ratio, and the interval scale. And in your active life, you can easily judge and you can make a proper decision that about the ordinal, nominal, interval, and ratio scale. And best of luck, and you have to wait for the next lecture, and in the next meeting we will be there. Thank you.